So today here in Vehicle Legends, he's not here right now, but I'm gonna be showing you all my cars. And one extra vehicle at the end, but you gotta stay tuned. Well, time for the first car. Get ready. I just gotta get the tires warmed up and everything. Let's go! Yeah, burnouts. Okay, I think I'm gonna go now. 3, 2, oh, no. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! And I've already gone, holy cow. Already gone. 236 miles per hour. That's a lot. Oh, he better brake. Brake. Oh, that was close. Okay. Time for the next car. You thought I was going, huh? Tricked you. Miles per hour. That's pretty fast. Oh, bounced a little. It's a super fast car. Like, if you look at the rims... Oh, no. Oh, I forgot to brake. You know, they really should add crash physics in this game. Okay, time for the next car. There you go. Yep, this is one of my drift cars. I used to have a lot more cars, except for I sold them to get the first car. I don't know why, but it's fine. Oh, this car is slower than slow, and the acceleration's butt cheek. This is gonna take a little bit. Almost there. Brake. Oh. That was a fast spin. Okay, next car. I like this car. It's not the fastest, but it looks cool. And it's got fun to drive. I love how the boost comes out the exhaust pipes. Look at that engine. That's crazy. And we're going. Let's go. Did you guys see that boost? 225 miles per hour I saw. I think that's gonna be the max. Brake! Oh, barely hit it. I think we're going out of the next car. Oh yeah. Oh, this car's fun to drive. This was actually my fastest car. It might still be, I don't know. But it was my fastest car before I started collecting cars. Oh, 250, 60. Oh, so close. Oh, I saw 272. That might be my fastest. Oh, it's brake. Oh no, brake. Slam on the brakes. Oh. Okay, that's kind of a clean turnaround. Next car, my Mustang. A little burnout. Let's go. Get ready to go fast. It should stop that fast, but it's just fun. Let's go. And we're off. I know it. I don't think it hits 200. Oh no, it probably does. Oh, what? It does. 222. That's actually decent. It's an older car. I bet you we could get it. Oh, 225 I saw. 244. Oh yeah. I don't want to crash this one. Next car. This car's fun. And it's revving right now. Turn on my lights because it's getting dark. And go! I love how this car looks. Will it reach 200? Oh my gosh, only 211. 230 I saw. I saw 230. Time for the next car. It's my hot rod. It's pretty nice. I love how the engine sounds. Do a little burnout there, rev it up. Get ready to go, and we're off. Already up to 100. The acceleration's crazy, but it doesn't go that fast. Like, watch. 195 miles per hour. Yeah, but for a long time. Oh, and we're going fast. Oh! 200. 1. Oh, we got a break. Oh, that was close. I think we're on to the next car. Okay, Rolls Royce. I love this car. Just because it's goofy. Like, it looks like it would go actually decently fast, but it does not at all. And we're off. Let's go. I think we're gonna do this in first person. Look at the road lines. Yeah, I don't think it was 166. It's just kind of sad. This is like one of the slowest cars I have. I saw 184. I saw 184. I saw. I think that's gonna be the max. Let's go. Brake. Better. You might want to brake. Car. Brake. Oh, hit the wall a little bit. But on to the next car, I think. Yep. Okay, this is, I think, the last car before the surprise car. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. JK. Look at the interior. Kinda looks like pee, but I love this car. I accidentally hit the roof button. Let's go. Already up to 100. Almost. I think it goes faster than the Rolls Royce. Oh yeah, big time. So for some reason it just goes to the side. Oh, brake. Oh, crazy save. Okay, on to the next car. Wait for the surprise. The next car is my jet. The $10 million jet. And it only goes this fast. Obviously says stalwart. It doesn't only go this fast. Let's go. We're going 900 miles per hour right now. Clearing this water so fast. I attempted to land on there, I just didn't slow down fast enough. This is totally how landing works. You just drop and then pin the throttle until you catch air again. And that's how I land. Bye.